And she smiled at me and said, I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness.
Hey guys, what's up? It's back in another video. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of 2019. So you may be wondering why I haven't been posting. Why it's been like 2 weeks since a year and I haven't posted a video yet. Well, I have filmed, but I edit it and I hate the video, so I delete it and I don't post it. I currently have I don't know actually. I think I have 4 B's, 3 A's, and 1 C. So, you know, thriving. Okay guys, so I made a playlist on Spotify with all my with like all my playlists combined, and I'm gonna listen to that playlist and young. I wanna be yours, yeah. Let me be the Leo, let me be your last first kiss. I wanna be first, yeah. Do you guys remember when this was my intro song?
Just her clothes can't define her, can't design her. In the 90210. What are you yelling for? You screaming now.
I've been waiting all this time to finally say madness. I can't take it no more. No more. Hey guys, so it's currently January 9th, 2:40, and I'm out of school. And the reason why is because I threw up. I look bad. Oh my god. Hey guys, so it's January 11th. I'm about to go to school. I have to go downstairs because my bus comes soon. The bus comes in like 9 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm back from school. But school is school. Nothing particular to say about it except for in drama. We were supposed to be rehearsing, but no one would rehearse. Everyone was just goofing off, and there were just certain people that goof off more than others. And I was the only one that wasn't laughing. They were making jokes, and I was just like, it's really not that funny. And then my contacts started acting up, so I went like this, and I moved my eyes around because you know, sometimes when contacts move around, you gotta do that to fix them. Because they were like drying out. I don't know what they were doing. Anyway. So then they were the ones that normally act up a lot were like, oh, why'd you roll your eyes? And then like before that they were walking away and we were supposed to be rehearsing. I was like, where are you guys going? Just a little side note. Another reason why I was like, where are you going is because one time they walked away and we lost them for like 20 minutes because I didn't tell anyone where they were going and they just left. And, like, I didn't want that to happen again, so I was like, where are you going? And they got mad, and they're like, why you asking where we're going? And I'm like, because one time you guys got lost. Anyway, yeah, so back to the video. Because I'm stage manager, and I'm supposed to be watching everyone. Also, this AirPod broke. That sucks. Look, the cotton stuff came off. That sucks, whatever. Okay, so then they were like, why'd you roll your eyes? I'm like, I didn't. And they were like, yeah, you did. They said you did. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm sorry if I did, but I didn't. So, yeah. And then the rest of the day was just school. Got a 70 on a math test, which sucks. I got 4 questions wrong on a 32 question test. Okay, guys. So I just finished cleaning my room, and now I'm going to give my dog a bath. Shadow stinks very badly, and I need to fix that. Oh my god, he smells like mildew. Pose for the thumbnail. Ah!
There you go.
Hi, Dad. getting my shirt soaked. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Love you guys. Yeah. And then